Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of tech and explore the most exciting products out there. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible discovery that's going to blow your mind, the LG 65-inch Class OLED TV. Imagine having a picture so vivid, so lifelike, it feels like you're right in the middle of the action. That's what this TV promises, and I've got to tell you, it delivers. With its Brightness Booster Max technology, this OLED evo shines even brighter than before, making every detail pop with luminous quality. It's like having a tiny little sun in your living room. But what does that actually mean for you? Well, when you're watching TV in a bright room, most TVs start to look washed out and lose their clarity. Not this one. Thanks to Brightness Booster Max, it keeps on shining with perfect black and stunning color, so you can enjoy the best possible picture quality no matter what's happening on screen. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about HDR? Ah, my friend, this TV has got that covered too. With its perfect black technology, it delivers an incredible watching experience. And with over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels, even in the brightest rooms, the colors are so vivid and detailed, it's like you're right there. But what about gaming? Well, let me tell you, this TV is a total beast. It's got a 0.1 milliseconds response time and up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which means you can game at lightning-fast speeds without any blurring or tearing. And with NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR, it's like having your own personal gaming console right in front of you. And what about all the extra features? Ah, my friend, this TV has got it all. It's got Dolby Vision for stunning color and contrast, plus Dolby Atmos for sound that'll make you feel like you're right in the action. And with Filmmaker Mode, you can see films just as the director intended. It's like having a private screening room in your living room. But here's the best part, this TV is not just about entertainment, it's also super smart. With LG's award-winning WebOS platform powered by WebOS Re/New, you get access to apps and view over 350 free LG channels. Plus, with up to 5 years of software updates, you know you're getting the latest and greatest features and security patches. Now, I want to talk about something that might not be on your radar, accessibility. This TV is designed with everyone in mind, no matter what their abilities are. It's got features like closed captions, audio descriptions, and more, so everyone can enjoy the best possible experience. And finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. This TV uses advanced technology to minimize its carbon footprint and reduce waste. It's not just a pretty face, it's also good for the planet. So what do you get when you put all these amazing features together? You get an incredible picture, mind-blowing design, next-level AI, and all the smart tech you could ever want. That's right, this is the best of the best, folks. It's our LG 65-inch Class OLED TV review, and I hope you enjoy every minute of it. Want to check out the link below for the best price?